Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Emma.
And I'm Leo, currently dreaming about pizza even though it's 9 in the morning.
Leo, it is 9 a.m.
Somewhere in the world, it's pizza o'clock, Emma. Don't judge me.
Okay, today we're talking about food. What we eat on weekdays versus weekends. And I already know this episode is going to expose you completely.
Excuse me? Expose me?
Yes, because I already know your weekday breakfast is basically a crime scene.
It is not a crime scene. It's efficient.
Leo, tell the people what you eat on a Tuesday morning.
Fine. I grab a banana. Sometimes toast if I'm feeling gourmet.
A banana and toast is not gourmet, Leo. Gourmet means high quality, fancy food, like something from an expensive restaurant. Your banana is not gourmet, it's breakfast for a toddler.
A very sophisticated toddler.
Okay, my confession, I eat leftovers almost every weekday. Leftovers means food that's left over or remaining from a meal I already cooked. Same rice, same chicken, 3 days in a row.
So you cook one big meal and just reheat it forever?
It's called batch cooking, cooking a large amount of food at one time, so you have meals ready all week. Not giving up, it's strategy.
Sounds like giving up with extra steps.
Fair. Let's move to lunch. Please tell me it's not another banana.
No, I upgrade. I grab something. Grab just means take quickly. Usually a sandwich from the shop near my office.
A sandwich, your big upgrade.
It's a big sandwich, Emma.
What do you actually put in this legendary sandwich?
Cheese, turkey, maybe a sad little piece of lettuce so I feel healthy.
One piece of lettuce doesn't count as healthy, Leo. That's just decoration.
It's the thought that counts. What about you? What's your weekday lunch?
I usually pack a salad or I reheat leftovers from the batch cooking I mentioned. Nothing exciting, but it keeps me going until dinner.
And by dinner, are you famished? That means extremely hungry, right?
Exactly. And yes, always. By 6 p.m., I'm completely famished. I could eat a horse.
Please don't. We don't have that budget on this show.
Fair enough. For weekday dinner, I usually just want something quick. Pasta, stir fry, anything I can whip up in 20 minutes. Whip up means to prepare something fast, but still with a little effort.
I whip up cereal. Does that count?
Leo, cereal is not dinner.
It has milk. It's basically soup.
That is not how food categories work. Okay, let's move to the best part of the week, the weekend.
Finally. This is where I actually enjoy being in the kitchen.
Tell them what happens in your kitchen on Saturday morning.
Pancakes, eggs, bacon, the full show. I put on music. I pretend I'm hosting my own cooking competition.
You're narrating your own cooking show in your kitchen?
Today we're bringing intensity to the bacon. Yes, every single Saturday.
That's incredible and slightly concerning. And honestly, I fully indulge on weekends too. That means I let myself enjoy the treat without feeling guilty about it. No rules on Saturday.
What's your Saturday breakfast then?
Usually something scrumptious. That just means really, really delicious. Like French toast with fresh berries and honey.
Okay, that sounds way better than my pancake chaos.
It's not a competition, Leo. Okay, it's a little bit of competition.
I knew it! What about weekend lunch?
Honestly, weekend lunch is more relaxed. Maybe I meet a friend at a cafe or I just nibble on snacks throughout the afternoon instead of a proper meal. To nibble means to eat small bites slowly, little by little.
I don't nibble, Emma. I wolf down my food. Wolf down means eating something very fast, almost like an animal.
That explains a lot about you as a person, actually.
Rude, but accurate.
And for weekend dinner, this is where I go all out. I make a big stew. That's meat and vegetables cooked together slowly in liquid, like a thick, warm soup, and I let it simmer for hours, which just means cooking it slowly on low heat. By the end, the whole house smells incredible.
That sounds relaxing. My kitchen sounds like a competition. Yours sounds like a spa.
It kind of is. And Saturday night, I always get this intense craving for something spicy. A craving is a strong desire for one specific food, like your body is demanding it.
Do you fight it or accept your fate?
I accept it immediately. Curry wins every time.
Honestly, same energy with me and pizza. I've completely stopped resisting.
We're basically food's puppets, both of us.
Completely controlled, no shame at all.
And be honest, do you ever polish off an entire pizza by yourself? Polish off means to finish something completely, usually food, until nothing is left.
Every single time. There is no saving some for later in my house.
There it is. Weekend Leo has zero self-control.
Weekend Leo is living his best life, Emma.
Okay, before we finish, let's do a quick round. I'll say a word from today and you use it in your own sentence. Ready?
Let's go.
Craving.
Easy. I have a craving for pizza right now, obviously.
Leftovers.
I still have leftovers from Sunday and I'm scared to open the fridge.
Perfect. Wolf down.
I wolf down my lunch every day because I only have 10 minutes.
Polish off.
I always polish off a whole pizza. No shame.
See, everyone, that's exactly how you should use new words. Put them in your own sentences today. Out loud if you can, even if nobody's listening.
Talking to your fridge counts as practice too. I do it all the time.
That explains so much. All right, that's it for today's episode.
Go eat something. Preferably not just a banana. Learn from my mistakes.
And try using today's words: gourmet, leftovers, batch cooking, famished, whip up, scrumptious, nibble, wolf down, stew, simmer, craving, and polish off.
That's a lot of words for one banana breakfast.
See you in the next episode, everyone.
Bye-bye.